This is HP LaserJet 500 MFP 525. This is a very good product. I mean, one of the best products I've come across from HP. And for some time now, I have been using this machine effectively. And the most amazing aspect of this machine is that it has a column. It has a place that allows you to staple your work without you necessarily using the stapler. Now, having printed out your work, you don't need to use this stapler. You don't need to use the stapler for the work. It has a stapler on the side that will aid you to staple your work easily. And a lot of people who doesn't know how to use this stapler. Now, you have to pull out this side, and when you look down into it, there is a blue plastic cover in there. Once you pull it out, you realize that the staple pins are inside this material. Now let me show you how the staple works. Let me put it back. Good. Then you gently close it. Having printed your work, and then you needed to staple the work, all you need to do is to place the paper in this small space available here, and just watch how easily it's going to be done. Now, you make sure the edges of the paper is straight. Just gently insert it there. Once you insert it there, it's stapled for you easily. Simple, without necessarily using this stapler for the work. And that's one amazing thing I like about the LaserJet 500 MFP M525. There are other features of this product I would like to tell you or demonstrate to you, which, if you know, it will make your work easier. Just subscribe to this channel and follow my YouTube channel for more videos on HP and other products. Thank you very much. See you next time.